guys, welcome to another one. This is Green Rhino carpet and tile cleaning episode. And notice I said carpet cleaning and tile. So here's a tip for you. If you're starting out your carpet cleaning business and you plan on getting into tile also, name your business, whatever you're going to call it, carpet and tile cleaning, not just carpet cleaning. It's going to make a world of a difference. It took me a while to figure that out, so take that one in. We're about to go do a carpet and tile job. We're going to do carpets. It's a move-in. A couple had bought that place, the tile and the carpet in really bad condition. Went there a couple weeks ago and gave an estimate, and we're going there to clean it today. So stay tuned. Alright, put my cones out. The cones are really great for letting everybody on the block know that you're doing work, you know? Customers, potential customers. Got pre-spray mixed up already for the carpet and tile. Exceptionally, I'm gonna actually boost the tile. We're gonna do a bathroom first and then do the carpet and then work our way out and do the tile. Got my multi wash there with the blue brushes on there already. Brought the side brushes also. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the side brushes on. Got the black brush. I don't have the Namco with me because I use that primarily for carpet cleaning. You know, scrubbing the carpet with the Namco because it's light. This thing's a little heavier, but I got wheels. Once you get it down, it's no problem. Anyway, necessity tools for tile cleaning. Got my spinner up there. Got my hand tool over there. And a lot of scrubbing devices, you know. Agitation is key in tile cleaning. Right, it smells in here. So we're doing a pet treatment in here. As you can tell, we got pet urine stains right in there. I did do a walkthrough with my light. That's why we're doing a couple pet treatment. We got some lighter areas here. It looks like somebody had used a bleaching agent, probably a multi-purpose cleaner underneath the sink they pulled. Right here too, bleaching. Can't do nothing about that. But everything else we should be able to get looking good and smelling better in here, definitely. This is the tile. Let's hope the electricity, so they're doing, yeah, okay. This is a tile, so you see the grout is really dirty. And you know, initially they were gonna pass on the grout, and because they bought the property and they're just kind of saving money. You know how it is. You're moving into a place, money just seems to come out of your hands crazy. But I told them if they pass it up, you know, it's gonna be a world of difference. You know, they'll really appreciate that they spent that little extra. So. Out here, bathroom. You got some carpets right here. I'm not sure what that is. It's pretty dark. But definitely I'm gonna do I'm gonna boost my regular pre-spray with deodorizer also. And here there's no light. It looks like, unless. Yeah, they're doing some electrical work. So we're gonna be working in the dark in here. It's probably really not coming out too good with the GoPro. But it's dark in there. We're gonna work in the dark. But no, not a problem. All right. It should take us about 3 hours total. All right, stay tuned. All right, looks good. Another tool for the iPhone, huh? This is my pre-spray. Already went through the whole house and hit the spots and kind of did an overall deodorizing, because the room is so light in there, you can't pick up the light, the illumination from the pet stains, so I had to just kind of go over everywhere. But in these rooms, it's dark enough to where I actually got the individual spots from the pets. I also added a deodorizer to my pre-spray just for extra 1-2 punch. So we had to change out the blue brushes because we're going to start scrubbing carpet. Put the black brushes in there. So we're taking those out. And then we're going to end up putting the blue brush back in once we continue on to the tile. I just wanted to get that back bathroom done instead of having to walk across that tile or the carpet to the tile after we cleaned it. And then we're gonna just put a runner right here so that way you can walk across it after the carpet's clean. All right, I'm gonna pre-spray the rest of this and she's gonna scrub behind me. All right, so she went through with the blue brushes, did the as close as she can get to the walls. Now we're just doing the outer exteriors with scrubbing with the hand deal. It's really good to do that, guys, because the brushes are not close to the edge, especially on these machines. So you got that gap right there. Scrubbing everything else is going to leave a gap. If you go straight to extraction, you may get dark strip against the wall. So just breaking it up makes it go a lot quicker. And plus you just kind of go over some more areas that look a little bit darker. All right, so all finished up. Tile looks amazing. Oh, what a difference. Once this dries up, it's gonna be like brand new. And carpets, not so much. You got all that bleach in there still, but as far as the smell and the stains, gone. Kitchen, awesome. So tomorrow, I always tell my customers that every day that goes by, the more you're gonna like it. This grout takes a long time to dry, it's very porous. And that's it. I hope they'll be happy. Smells better in here. And up to the next one. See you in the next one.